16 Best Camping Cookware Kits for 2025. Snow Peak Trek 700 Titanium Cookset. The Snow Peak Trek 700 Titanium Cookset is a minimalist's dream that feels like something James Bond would use if he went ultralight backpacking. Crafted from premium Japanese titanium, it's strong, light as a whisper, and absurdly durable. We're talking about a pot that weighs just over 4 ounces, but can still boil water fast and resist deformation in high heat. The lid doubles as a frying pan, and the whole setup nests perfectly with a small canister and stove. The only catch? Titanium does not distribute heat as well as aluminum. So watch your flame, or you'll have instant ramen with a scorched bottom. Still, for solo hikers chasing ounces, it's practically essential. Jetboil Flash Cooking System. Speed demons and caffeine addicts, this one's for you. The Jetboil Flash Cooking System isn't just a stove. It's a self-contained kitchen that boils water in under 100 seconds. That's faster than you can explain why your tent smells like burnt oatmeal. With an integrated pot, push-button ignition, and color-changing heat indicator, it takes the guesswork out of trail cooking. The biggest drawback? You're somewhat limited to boiling water-based meals, soups, coffee, freeze-dried options. But for a lot of campers, that's all you need. It's ideal for backpackers who prioritize speed, efficiency, and minimal cleanup. Just don't expect to sear a steak on it. Stanley Adventure Camp Cookset. The Stanley Adventure Camp Cookset is a budget-friendly legend that somehow crams 2 nesting cups, a stainless steel pot, and a locking lid into something smaller than a Nalgene bottle. It's perfect for beginners or budget-conscious adventurers who still want reliability in their cooking kit. The stainless steel heats evenly and cleans up easily, though it can get a bit heavy for serious ultralight hikers. The included cups are insulated and fit snugly, which also makes this a favorite for minimalist couples. Honestly, for the price, it feels like cheating. It punches well above its weight class and still comes with that Stanley lifetime guarantee. Teton Sports Camp Kitchen Set. The Teton Sports Camp Kitchen Set is what you bring when car camping starts to feel like home. With an entire fold-out kitchen including a sink basin, utensil storage, cutting boards, and enough surface area to prep dinner for 6, it's like dragging your countertop into the wilderness. This is not for the ultralight crowd. It's bulky and clearly designed for base camp setups, but it transforms meal prep into a social activity. Add a 2-burner stove, and you'll be flipping pancakes in the forest like it's Sunday brunch. It does take time to set up and pack down, but the convenience makes it worth the effort for extended stays. C2 Summit Alpha Set. The C2 Summit Alpha Set is a beautifully engineered system that feels more like precision equipment than cookware. Made with hard-anodized aluminum, it's incredibly lightweight yet conducts heat efficiently for real cooking, not just boiling water. What sets it apart is the pivot lock handle, which locks solidly into place so you don't accidentally tip your chili all over the campfire. The nesting design fits utensils, bowls, and even a towel into one tidy bundle. The only downside is the price. It's not the cheapest kit out there, but if you care about performance, packability, and engineering, this set is a serious contender. Primus PrimeTech Stove Set. The Primus PrimeTech Stove Set is like the Tesla of camping cookware, sleek, efficient, and a little bit fancy. This all-in-one set features an integrated heat exchanger, windscreen, and pressure-regulated burner that maximizes fuel efficiency in cold or windy conditions. The pots nest snugly with the burner, and the ceramic non-stick surface makes cleanup a dream. It's a bit heavier than minimalist sets, but you trade ounces for fuel savings and faster cook times. It's ideal for backpackers who are cooking real meals and not just dumping hot water into freeze-dried bags. Plus, the build quality is top-notch. This is gear made to last. Bushcraft Essentials 3-Piece Cooking Set. The Bushcraft Essentials 3-Piece Cooking Set is for those who like their cookware as rugged as their philosophy, simple, efficient, and indestructible. Made from stainless steel and designed to be used over open flames, this set thrives where gas stoves fear to tread. It includes a pot, a pan, and a lid that doubles as a plate. No plastic, no coatings, just pure survival-grade steel. It is heavier than other sets, but if you're cooking on coals or improvising over a fire pit, this is the kind of kit that handles the heat. Perfect for bushcrafters, overlanders, and anyone who believes the forest is their kitchen. Optimus Terra Weekend HE Cook Set. Compact, clever, and surprisingly efficient, the Optimus Terra Weekend HE Cook Set is a 2-piece aluminum system with a built-in heat exchanger for faster boiling and lower fuel use. Designed for weekend warriors, it balances weight and durability with just enough space for real cooking. The included fry pan doubles as a lid, and the pot's non-stick coating handles eggs and stir-fries without turning cleanup into a nightmare. It nests easily with small stoves and canisters, making it great for backpackers who still want to cook a real breakfast. Just be gentle with the non-stick layer, it's not indestructible. Evernew Titanium Cookset. The Evernew Titanium Cookset is one of the lightest, full-size cooking kits on the market, and one of the most respected. Made in Japan with ultralight titanium, it's engineered with obsessive attention to detail. The pots nest like a Russian doll, the handles are heat-resistant, and the lids fit like a glove. It's so light you'll forget it's in your pack until it's time to eat. While it lacks the heat distribution of aluminum, experienced campers know how to manage a flame to avoid hot spots. It's not for people who want luxury. It's for those who want to carry as little as possible and still eat like a human. Vargo Titanium Pot. The Vargo Titanium Pot is about as minimalist as it gets. A single-walled titanium pot with a lid, and that's about it. But that simplicity is its strength. It's built to be bomb-proof, lightweight, and adaptable. You can use it on stoves or directly over open flames. The folding handles make it easy to stow, and the pot itself doubles as a mug if you're packing light. It's not flashy, and it doesn't have fancy accessories. But for those who want a durable, zero-frills pot that just works, Vargo delivers. Plus, titanium means you'll probably pass it on to your grandkids someday. Kovia Camping Cookware Set. The Kovia Camping Cookware Set brings a bit of home-style cooking to the campsite, with multiple nesting pots and pans designed for real food preparation. Whether you're boiling pasta, simmering stew, or frying bacon, this kit gives you the tools to do it. The handles are rubber-coated for comfort, and the lids double as strainers. The anodized aluminum construction balances weight and heat conduction well. It's a great choice for small groups or couples who like to eat well outdoors. It's not ultralight by any stretch, but the added versatility makes it a favorite for weekend warriors and family campers alike. Snow Peak Titanium Cookset. The Snow Peak Titanium Cookset is another ultralight champion, ideal for solo adventurers or minimalist duos. Each piece is crafted from premium titanium that resists corrosion, adds almost no weight, and handles repeated use over years of camping. The nested design is efficient and elegant, with a minimalist aesthetic that appeals to serious backpackers. Like other titanium options, it can develop hot spots if you're not careful with your flame, but the upside is near zero weight and unmatched durability. This is the kind of cookware that lives in your pack full-time, just in case the trail calls unexpectedly. Lixa Camping Cookware Set. If you're looking for bang for your buck, the Lixa Camping Cookware Set delivers a complete cooking solution for a fraction of the price of some high-end kits. Made with anodized aluminum, it includes pots, pans, utensils, and even a cleaning sponge. Everything nests neatly together for easy packing. It's not the most durable or lightweight, but it's a fantastic starter kit for casual campers or backpackers on a budget. The handles are silicone-coated for safety, and the included gear means fewer extra purchases. If you're just dipping your toes into camping or outfitting a second kit, Lixa is a solid place to start. Jetboil Mini-Mo Cooking System. The Jetboil Mini-Mo cooking system takes everything people love about the original Jetboil and upgrades it for better cooking control. With a wider pot, more stable base, and simmer control, you can finally go beyond boiling water. Want to saute mushrooms or simmer chili? This Jetboil can handle it. It's still compact and fuel efficient, but now it gives you real culinary control in the backcountry. It's pricier than some boil-only kits, but for serious trail chefs who want flexibility without bulk, the Mini-Mo is hard to beat. Mountain House Kitchen Set. The Mountain House Kitchen Set isn't a cookware set in the traditional sense. It's a comprehensive food prep system designed to complement freeze-dried meals. With reusable bowls, insulated sleeves, and lightweight utensils, it turns just add water into an organized, efficient process. If you relied heavily on Mountain House meals or similar, this set takes the chaos out of camp dining. It's ideal for quick meals, minimal cleanup, and hassle-free organization. You won't be frying or sautéing with it, but if you want to eat well with minimal effort, it's a smart companion to any hot meal kit. Helenox Table One Hardtop Set. Technically a table, yes, but the Helenox Table One Hardtop Set earns its place here by transforming how you cook and eat outdoors. It gives you a stable surface for meal prep, stove use, or just eating without balancing your bowl on your knees. Lightweight, collapsible, and sturdy enough to hold everything from your stove to your wine glass, this table makes campsite cooking feel less like survival and more like civilized dining. Add a camp chair and you've got the full al-fresco experience. It's an optional luxury, but once you try it, you won't want to go back to cooking on the ground. If you found something on this list that fits your adventure style, hit that like button and let us know which kit you're rocking this season. Got a favorite we missed? Drop it in the comments. Your recommendation might help another camper level up their next trip. Subscribe for more gear breakdowns, honest reviews, and camping hacks that make life outside a little more delicious. Turn on notifications so you never miss a guide that could upgrade your entire outdoor experience.